friends, my name is Miss Bowman, and today I'm going to be teaching you a lesson about greater than, less than, and equal to. But before we start that, we're just going to review our expanded, base 10, and word form like we did in our last lesson. So I'm going to have you go ahead and please get out your whiteboards and your dry erase markers so that you can write this on your boards and write the expanded form, base 10, and word form. And I'm going to give you all about 5 minutes to do that, and whenever you're done, you can just put your board face down on your table. Alright, so at this point, I'm going to give them about 5 minutes, but for the sake of time, I'm going to continue. Alright, so who can tell me what I need to write down for expanded form? Yes? Alright, 700 plus 30 plus 5. Very good. Can you explain your thinking to me? Very good. So because this is a 7, the value is 700. And this is a 3, the value is 30. And this is a 5 in the ones place, so the value is 5. Very good talking and using your place value. All right. Next, we're going to move on to base 10. Can someone tell me what to write? What's the first thing that I need to write down? Yes. 6 flats? Are we sure it's 6, or what do you think it should be? 7, because we have a 7 in the hundreds place. Very good. So we're going to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What are we going to write next? Very good. 3 sticks. And lastly, 5 little units. Very good, because this stands for 100, this stands for 10, and this stands for 5. So as long as this and this match, then we are good to go. All right, now let's work on our word form. What are we going to write down? Very good. 700 35. Very good on your all's bell ringer. I'm going to have you go ahead and clear your board, and we're going to go ahead and talk about the less than, greater than, and equal to. So, since we haven't talked about this before, I'm just going to give you a little bit of background. These are the symbols that we will be working with. Do any of them look familiar to you? Very good. This one is equal. Do you guys know what that means? Very good. That means that whatever's on this side equals whatever's on this side. So can someone give me an example? That's right. 2 equals 2. Now this one is a new symbol, and this one is greater than. So this one would be used when you have a number that's larger on this side. For example, if you have 385 is greater than 329. This is when you would use that one. And one way that we can remember the greater than sign, or which way that it goes, is it kind of looks like an alligator. And the alligators are always going to gobble up whatever is bigger. So whichever number is bigger is the side that the alligator is going to be facing. So if this one's greater than, then this one might be less than. Very good. So if we use this exact same example, we have 329 is less than 385. So you just switch it around because this side is now bigger and this side is bigger. So whichever side your alligator is facing is the side that is the bigger number. So we are going to do a little bit of practice. And we're going to start by looking at a visual. So I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 triangles. And then a circle. And I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 triangles. Which one do you think we would use in this situation? Very good. Greater than, because 6 triangles is greater than 5 triangles. Let's do one more and then we'll move on to our numbers. If I have 2 triangles on this side and 3 triangles on this side, which one would I use? Awesome, I would use less than, because 2 triangles is less than 3 triangles. Good job, guys. So now I'm going to have you go ahead and get your whiteboards out again. And we're going to practice by using some examples. So the first one we're going to use is 6 and 9. Go ahead and write this on your board and write down which one you think you would use. And then I would give them a couple of minutes and they would show me their boards. All right, so which sign would we use? Less than, that's right, we would use the less than sign because 6 is less than 9. Now if we do another one, let's practice with 78 and 31. Which sign would we use in this case? Greater than, very good, because 78 is greater than 31. The next example is going to be, the next example is going to be 876 and 555. Which one would we use in this case? Very good. Less than, because 876 is less than 555. All right, and then moving on, we're going to do 345 and 222. Which symbol would we use in this case? Very good. Greater than, because 345 is greater than 222. All right, guys, y'all did very good on this lesson. So the last thing that I'm going to have you do is clear your whiteboards, and I just want to see where you're at. So give me a thumbs up if you understand the content, a middle flat hand if you feel like you are getting it but you want some more practice, and a thumbs down if you don't understand what you are learning. All right, very good. Thank you for your feedback.